It's finally here. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or Fan Edition. अब अगर आपको नहीं पता कि सैमसंग के फैन एडिशन फोन्स क्या हैं और क्यों हैं, Samsung's formula is simple. Take the best parts of their flagship S25 series, pack them into slightly more affordable phone and give the fans what they want. And today we are unboxing it and giving you our first impressions. First, let's talk about the design and display. On first glance, you would be forgiven for thinking this is a standard Galaxy S25 as it closely borrows the flagship design with those distinct vertically aligned camera rings. The matte texture feels great in hand, doesn't attract fingerprints and feels incredibly premium. The phone is durable thanks to the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both front and back, along with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. There is a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2H display, and as usual, the colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and with that 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are buttery smooth. Coming to the performance and software, under the hood, the Galaxy S25 FE is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2400 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM. We found this chip to be powerhouse in our S24 review, so performance here should be fantastic. The phone is launching with Android 16 based One UI 8 and Samsung is promising 7 years of OS and security updates. But what really sets this apart is AI. Samsung has included its full Galaxy AI suite with features like Circle to Search, Gemini Live and Generative Edit. On top of that, you get 6 months of free access to Google AI Pro. Now for photos and videos, there is a 50 megapixel triple rear camera unit with 8MP telephoto and 12MP ultra-wide lens. On the front, there is a 12 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Powering everything is a 4900 mAh battery. This should give you plenty of juice to get through a full day of heavy use. It supports 45W wired fast charging and 15W wireless charging, so you can top it up quickly. So those are our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. This phone definitely offers a premium design, a gorgeous display, flagship performance and a commitment to long-term software support. We can't wait to put this through a full review to see how it performs in real world. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the full review in the coming days, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.